This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Metallic Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It's made with 100% natural cocoa powder and apparently real gold, and it does have a 12-month shelf life. When you open up the box, there is an insert which gives descriptions on how to create a couple of looks. As you can see, the palette does show fingerprints very well, but it is very cute packaging. Please be aware that all of the eyeshadows have their own unique formulas. Here are the shades. You have 16 eyeshadows total, where 4 are matte and 12 are metallic. My swatch technique involves prepping my arm with Urban Decay Primer Potion. I do swatch most of the shades with a MAC 239 brush, or I may go in with a MAC 242 brush if needed. And I do clean off my brush with my Sephora Vermona Color Switch, so my brush is never damp. Here's the first row. The names for the eyeshadows are really cute. From swatching, the shade Rich Girl was one of my favorites, and I did also find that the matte black was very pigmented. In your second row, most of these are metallic shades, but the very last one is a matte shade. From the swatches, I really like the shade Classy and Sassy. It's a beautiful rose gold shade. And here's your second row. In the third row, there are 5 shades total, where 4 are metallic and 1 is matte. The shade Holla for $1 is my favorite shade in this particular row because I really like that metallic army green, but I was also really impressed with how the shade Drippin' Diamonds swatched. The shade Live in Lavish is the only one that I went back and applied a second layer to the swatch, as you will see at the end of the row. And once the second layer was applied, the swatch was really beautiful. Now onto a wipe test to see how the shades may last throughout the day and also how they might blend together. This is your first row. Your second. And your final row. Thank you so much for watching my video. It's been a while since I posted a palette swatch video, and this particular one I think deserved the attention. It's a lot more vibrant than it appears in photos, and if it's something that you wanted to take a look at, I wanted to provide a video for your information. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you very, very soon on my next video. Bye-bye.